I think the two areas that I'm most excited about in the CAR T-cell field is twofold. One is the newer CAR Ts that are coming available. So currently, CAR T-cells, the CARs really just are focused on the binding to their specific target, most commonly CD19 being activated and killing. But we're seeing now is new technology where CARs, and are referred to as armored CARs, can do multiple functions in terms of they can target more than one target. We're involved with research where you could actually have 4 different targets on a single CAR, that the CAR can carry additional ways to overcome resistance in terms of actually carrying checkpoint inhibitors on the surface that would actually engage with PD-L1. And then this idea of improved T-cell function, and that looking either at allogeneic CARs, off-the-shelf CARs, or that we could improve T-cell function, and there's a number of molecules that are readily available, relatively cheap, that could improve T-cell function and hopefully improve the CAR T-cell efficacy. Question of whether CAR T will become globally viable, absolutely. I believe that CAR T-cell therapy is only going to improve in terms of efficacy, and I think that it's going to improve in terms of practicality. I think this is just the burgeoning of a very new era in terms of how we will treat particularly hematologic malignancies, and that cellular therapies will move to the forefront of therapy in combination with conventional therapies. But I can actually see that it could even replace some conventional therapies due to the high degree of efficacy. And so we know that CARs are going to get better, and that will be more highly applicable. And hopefully in that process, the cost will come down so that it will become universally available and affordable.